Hello friends, welcome back to my new other video. Today this video we will learn an essay. The topic of essay is my aim in life. Number 1 is everyone has an aim in their life. Number 2 is it is always a good thing to have an ambition in one's life. Number 3 is life without aim is worthless. Number 4 is my aim in life is to become a doctor. Number 5 is the doctor plays a major role in our lives. Number 6 is it is a noble profession. Number 7 is a doctor gets many chances to save human beings. Number 8 is I want to help the poor people. Number 9 is I shall treat them free of charges. Number 10 is I shall give them medicines free of charges. Number 11 is doctors have a great responsibility towards the society. Number 12 is a doctor serves humanity. Number 13 is a doctor always tries to keep his patients comfortable and relaxed. Number 14 is I hope to fulfill my dream and to make a positive difference in the world. Number 15 is in the future I will be serving my nation as a doctor. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel to watch my new other videos on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.